Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on notifications from startup app on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on notifications from startup app, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on System. Now click on Notifications. Scroll down. Under Notifications from App and Other Sender, you will find Startup App Notification, and now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Startup App Notification on Windows 11 computer is turned on right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.